the first method, we're going to head over to your most used or your favorite web browser. Then we're going to click on Control, Shift and Delete, which will take you over to the clear browsing data page. You can then untick everything here if you want to, but make sure that cached images and file is ticked and then click on clear data. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in turn on storage sense. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to storage sense and then you can click on run storage sense now. And then we're going to go back and then click on clean up recommendations, and then Windows will recommend you all the stuff that can be cleaned up. Now I'm going to go back again and then click on temporary files. And then you want to make sure that everything here is selected and then click on remove files and then click on continue. For the third step, we're going to head over to search and type in disk cleanup. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to clear all the temporary files from all of our drives. First, I'm going to start with the C drive. Click on OK. And then once this loads up, you want to make sure that everything is highlighted and click on clean up system files. And then click on OK on the same drive. Once this loads up again, we're going to make sure that everything is highlighted and click on OK. And click on delete files. You can repeat this method for all of your other drives. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in prefetch and click on enter. Once this folder comes up, you want to click on Control A and click on delete. This is full of temporary files. If you get this, click on do this for all current items and click on skip. Then we're going to close this out, head over to search again and type in run. Now you want to do the exact same thing but type in temp. After you clear all the files in temp, you want to type in %temp% and clear all the files in those 3 folders. They're all temporary files. And then once you do that, we're going to right click on our recycle bin, click on empty recycle bin and then click on yes. Now for the last step, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon and then click on Task Manager. Once you're on it, we're going to head over to Startup Apps and then you want to disable all of the apps that you don't want to start when your computer turns on. The way to check if the app starts up when your computer turns on is that it will say enabled right here. The way to disable it is by clicking on it and then click on disable. After you do all of these steps, restart your computer and all of your cache and junk will be cleared. But make sure that you click on restart and you don't shut down. Click on restart.